As the Ukrainian drone army often takes out Russian tanks, the end result of a strike can vary a lot, from almost no damage, more severe damage, or a complete destruction of the tank. This damage is heavily dependent on the warhead striking position, as well as the skills and a little bit of luck in the hit. But as this Ukrainian drone saw a Russian assault with 2 tanks and 2 BMPs, the drone operator chose to strike the much weaker BMP to ensure the destruction of the vehicle, leading to more chaos within the Russian troops as they have to evacuate the vehicle, helping to repel an attack, destroying another of Russia's vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.